Hello, so to restore purchases in VIBER, just go to More tab in bottom right, go to Settings, Account, and here you can restore purchases. So it means, first of all, VIBER out subscriptions and all your sticker packs to this device. VIBER recommends to connect to Wi-Fi. So what it means, for example, you changed your phone, you got a new phone, but you bought some stickers and VIBER out, for example, on your previous old phone. And when you're changing, you're moving to new phone, some of it might be lost and you want to pay twice for the same items. So therefore you have this restore purchases option where you just tap and then I didn't do any purchases, but if you have had purchases with this VIBER account on your previous device, you will be able to restore them. So there you have it.